Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, unless there's like a really exciting launch that I'm going to do some back-to-back videos for. Them are the days that I'm aiming to upload for. So yeah, make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any of the bonus videos in between. As you can tell by the title, today I am finally getting around to reviewing and trying the latest Beauty Bay palette. This is the new Mood one. I bought this when it first came out. It didn't come next day when I've got next day delivery. It took a little while for it to come, and I'm finally going to be doing my review on it. This is what it looks like. I must admit, this is probably the first Beauty Bay one where I've been like, I don't really know if I like it. I was like, I need it for my collection. It'd be the only one that I'm missing. Just buy it, Lucy. Do a review. Do it for YouTube. Do it for my peeps. Do you know what I mean? But now that it's came, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. The thing that let it down is the layout of it. However, I still think it's stunning. I think if you looked at it like this, if you looked at just the lower two rows, and then you look at, oh my god, the higher two rows, that's cohesive, and then that's cohesive. Yeah, I feel like this one should have been swapped with this shimmery green, like duochrome, and then it would have been like all greens and yellows, and then neutrals and pinks, and then blues. So yeah, that is what the bad boy looks like. I don't know how much this costs. Let me sing. Love won't take no higher than this. No. So this retails for £15, but I managed to use a code, and I got it for £11.25, which is banging. Which is another reason why I was like, oh, I'll just buy it. So I can have it in my collection. It'll look pretty. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to go for like a blue vibe today, as you can probably already tell by the thumbnail, because right now you know what the end look looks like, and I don't. So just get straight into it. There's also a mirror inside the palette, so I'm going to just use that as my mirror today, so I'm not teasing people with the Corpse Bride one that you can't buy anymore, which is such a shame because it's honestly the best mirror ever. But anyways, let's go in with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour number 2. Please ignore, I've got like some breakouts up here just because I had my brows done and it'd been such a long time since I had them done. I normally break out, but not like that. And I've been picking my nose, not picking it as in like blackheads on the top of it, not inside my nose, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to pop that all over my lid, and then as always I'm going to go in with my Peaches and Cream PC29 brush and just tap this all over the skin. We're going to be focusing on these 6 shades in the palette, all of the blue ones, and I'm going to start with the shade Confident, which is the dark blue. So I'm going to take a Powerpuff Girls brush from the XX Revolution collection and start packing this darker blue. Oh my god, can you hear that? It's like a proper loud. I don't know if it's ambulance or fire brigade or what, but oh my god, it's beeping like crazy. I hope someone's okay. So yeah, I'm just tapping that all over the lid and just gently kind of lifting my eye just because of my little eyeball wrinkles. So I've got this kind of shape for now, and as you can tell, I've not packed it on like really heavy in the actual crease because we're going to blend that out anyway. I'm going to blend it out with other shades too. So I want to take like another packing on brush to pack on a shade on top of that, and for the shade that we're going to use, it's going to be the shade Content. Obviously it means content as in like content within yourself, but for me, my brain automatically thinks of like creating content for YouTube and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, this is just a brush from a Revolution Christmas gift set, and I'm gonna start like packing that 50-50, like a little bit on the dark blue, a little bit on my skin. I'm gonna angle my brush downwards instead of upwards, so I have a bit more control. Make sure I'm putting it where I actually want it. I'm just going to kind of blend it like this. So you see it's just a nice medium kind of blue. Oh my god, the pigment's unbelievable. Like actually, oh my god, unbelievable. And then to have like the one to like blend that out, I will go back in because it's a little bit patchy, but I'll go back in and fix that. I just want to start blending out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M456 brush. It's like a blending brush, but it's also like this shape as well. So it's like good for blending across that way, if that makes any sense. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Focus, which is the lightest blue in the palette. I'm going to pick up some of that, tap off the excess, and then lightly start blending, like really, really lightly. Oh, I'm out of focus. Excuse me, thank you. Really start kind of blending that out and just blending the edges. Okay, so now that it's looking like this, I'm going to go in with a black in the outer corner. That's why I've left like this little gap here, because I just wanted to see what it looked like first. And I'm going to go in with a angled fluffy brush like this. Is a Spectrum B09. It's got like a blending brush on the other end. Did I do that then? Yeah, probably. And then I'm going to go in with Bold, which is obviously the black in the palette. I'm just going to take a little bit and tap it off because I've heard that the black's really good, so I don't want to like put too much on and then not be able to like blend. So I'm just starting where I would want it the most intense, which is obviously like on my actual lid, and then tapping off the excess a lot. I'm going to start building it a little bit higher. I'm going to take that clean brush on the other end and start blending that together a bit. Ooh, I think I've just drew it on my shoulder. And then going in with that darker blue and the same like Powerpuff Girls brush, I'm going to start doing like the little gradient on, oh god, on this side as well. This is why I always do my eyes first, because I'm always so messy. And then going in with Content as well, and then I'm going to go in with obviously that focus colour in the brush and start blending that out. Okay, so now that it's looking like this, I'm not going to lie, I'm really happy with it. Once we kind of sharpen this up, it'll stop looking as droopy. So we're going to go in with the Shimmer Shimmer, which is this one here. This is the shade Inspired. Oh my god. I wanna have sex, baby, with my blue eyeshadow. Anyways, I'm gonna pack this. Oh my goddy god. Oh, I'm gonna pack this on the lid. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. Oh, that's beautiful. So easy to apply with your finger. And I'm gonna take just a little bit of the black and blend that in on the inner corner, and then I will match my other eye up. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with how this has turned out. I'm going to pop something in my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with the shade Serene. There's actually two like inner corner and brow bone colours that you could use. So there's like this one here, and then there's this one. This one has pink reflex in it, and this one has blue. So obviously I'm going to go with the blue one. So that one's called Serene, Serene, Serene. Beyonce, Beyonce, Shakira, Shakira. And I'm going to pop that. Oh, God. My Morphe brushes are just like molten on me. It's so annoying. Oh my god. Stop. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I'm in love with my blue eyeshadow. It would have been better if it was blush, but whatever. Would have went with my song better. I'm popping this in the inner corners. And then I'm also going to pop some as my brow bone highlight colour. Oh my god, this is actually stunning with my lovely lip in. Right, let me put the rest of my face on. I'm going to do some TikToks and test some different products out, and I'll be back with you in a second. And then this is the finished look. I would love to know what you think down below. I'm honestly so happy how this has turned out. I've just filmed like 4 or 5 TikToks in the process of getting the rest of my face on as well. It annoys me because in the TikToks the shadow looks like it's patchy, but it's not. Oh my god, it's just frustrated me so much, but whatever, we move. This palette is absolutely stunning. Even if you're just going to use the blues, I think it's worth it. But what's really nice about it is you can very clearly do a green look with this, you can very clearly do a pink look, and you can also do more of a neutral look. You could do a neutral look with like a pop of green or a pop of blue or a pop of pink as well. So you can see like more combinations now that I've got it in person than what I could when I saw it online. And do you know what sold it to me as well? On Beauty Bay's website, they had like images of like swatches of just the colours that like went really well together. It's like the blues together, the greens together. And when it was like that, I was like, oh my god, yeah, my brain understands what I would do with this palette now. So that literally was what sold it for me. So Beauty Bay, if you're watching this, I would recommend continue to do that, because that's how you got my money. And now I have this. Ta-da! If you have tried this palette, what do you think? I do feel like this is a little bit like my Bubbles look, but maybe just a little bit different. Yeah, a little bit different. But yeah, every time I put blue on now, I'm like, Bubbles! But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye!